better have the credits by tomorrow, Kaito. Or the big guy, he's gonna finish the job after school.
I don't have it.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Your life is about to be upgraded.
Look who crawled back. Still playing with that cheap jacket kid?
I'm not a kid anymore. They deserve this.
Hey! You are better than this! Don't do that!
Your father, Mr. Shi, passed last week. As his only known heir, you are now the CEO of James Shi Inc.
Me? A CEO? I don't understand.
You own all of this, Kaito. You can do whatever you
Then
want.
I'll make it mine.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in an unbelievable AI platform called Trimz. Let's go. Have you ever addicted to short videos from TikTok or YouTube? If you are very into short videos and animated style, I think you're gonna fall in love with Trimz. So with Trimz, you can easily create animated style short videos. Not only one, you can create a series of the short videos. So it will be the perfect hook for your audience. They will come back to see more. And all you need to have is brilliant ideas of the short videos. For example, like the teenager lost in the Cyberpunk age, or magical power, or lost the magical power to call out all the dragons from the sky. It's time to prove to the world if you are a good storyteller. Alright, let's see some examples. So if you are landing to this website, Trimz.ai, and you will see this weekly ranking. So you can find some top stories that's by our community. And beneath here, we have Trimz picks. And the top of the story is this one.
In this world, power is etched into the soul. They are called glyphs, marks of magic and ambition. But every mark...
I'm already addicted to this story. And you can find the author information and you can forward the story to your friends. Let me demonstrate how to create a sensational short videos by using Trimz. I hope it can go viral. I really suggest you to watch all the Trimz short video before you start to create, because it will give you a general view on how we create Trimz stories. Alright, I saw some Japanese short videos and some Chinese short videos, which means Trimz allows you to create multi-languages stories. Alrighty then, enough for the talking, let's do demonstrate. So all you need to do is click this create button. And FYI, you can also join the Discord of the Trimz to communicate with others and maybe get some inspirations. Okay, let's go. Let's click this create. So this interface is where we're gonna create, and beneath here are stories that are created by others. Alright, so let's type our prompt. And beneath here, we have two buttons, so you can decide whether the video form, the aspect ratio will be landscape or portrait. And when you click here, the plus icon, you can even upload some attachment. For example, like the portraits of our characters or scenarios. But for now, I've leave it empty and I will change the aspect ratio to portrait, which is perfect for TikTok. And all you need to do is click here. So if you don't know what story to make, you can also click here. It will give you a random idea. But I don't know. Let me try my own. So about my story, I just improvise it. Basically, it's a poor young man in the cyberpunk age, and everybody bullied him. And he's about 19 years old in this town, and this town, everybody can enhance their body with machines. And after days, this young man soon got a call from a lawyer telling that he is the next CEO of the biggest company in the town. So let's see what Trimz can get us. So let's click this button. After that, we will bring to this screen. And you can see we have a chat box with the AI. And AI asks us, oh, sounds like a killer concept for Cyberpunk anime. Let's call it Chrome Heart. Oh, this name is terrific. So instead of directly generated a long video, so Trimz gives us more chance to modify the story. So now we have episode 0. So Trimz asks us, how does it sound? Yeah, I would like to generate the episode 0, the ghost in the machine. And click here. So now we are generated this story by using Trimz. Let's give a second. All right, we have our first episode. And can we preview it? Let's click this play button.
Your life is about to be upgraded.
When we generated the first video, now we have several options. For example, like what happens in the episode 1, or make the next episode 8 seconds. So I will type continue. So now let's generate the episode 1, the upgrade. You can see we already have the next frame listed here. All right, we generated the next video. Let's click play.
Look who crawled back. Still playing with that cheap jacket, kid?
Not a kid anymore.
So I think we missed the one shot here. So where the main character meet the lawyer. So let's type here. Okay, we wrote the story and let's click the generate. And AI said, you're right, we skipped the critical scene. And we are generated again. In fact, Trimz can run multiple tasks here. So we're not only generated one clip, but 2 at the same time. So give a second. Seriously, I just add another thing. So now we are in total generated 3 videos at the same time. All right, we generated many clips. I think they look terrific. And you can click here to play all. And you can even click here to into the reorder mode. For example, like this. And by this, we can reorder the sequence of our story. And click here, click reorder, change the sequence. So now our clips looks like in the correct order, and click this icon. And now when you click play, you can review it in the right order. And if you want to delete certain clips, you can click here, this trash bin icon, and they will be removed to this archive. See, this is something I just deleted. And after everything was set, you are able to publish it. So click this publish button. And here we have more options to make, for example, like the title. So AI named our main character title, and we have a description, and we need a thumbnail. You can click here. And here is the visibility of your stories. You can choose from private or menu or public. Let's choose public for instance. Oh, now we generated our cover. I love this. And let's click go to the series. Remember this URL you can share with your friends. And when you click this share button, you have 2 options. One is copy series link. Another is download the episode. If you want to publish in other platforms like TikTok or YouTube, you can click this one. Hey, maybe you want to check the title story, right? I will leave the link in the description that you can check later. Alright, so much for today. I hope you like it. And don't forget to check the link in the description. And don't forget to check this amazing AI tool by yourself, okay? I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.